This is Scooter and Greta, two kittens we have available for adoption at the Rifle Animal Shelter. This little cutie here is Scooter. Scooter is black and white. He's kind of got medium hair. He's very playful. He's very, very well socialized. And he would love to have a home. He's got a little mustache there. This is Greta. Greta is a little girl. She's more of a tuxedo. She's got shorter hair. She's also very friendly. She loves to play. And they would love it if you adopt them both together, because two kittens are much more fun than one, and they always have their best friend when you're away. So try to adopt two if you can. But they are available for adoption at the Rifle Animal Shelter.